In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Clipchamp. Whether you're looking to add a bit of emphasis to your video content or simply want to highlight a specific detail, learning how to effectively zoom can truly enhance your editing skills. Let's dive right in, starting by opening your web browser and heading over to clipchamp.com. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is either sign in or create an account if you don't have one already. For those of you who already have a Microsoft account, simply click on Continue with Microsoft for a smooth sign-in process. Follow the prompts to select your Microsoft account, and you'll quickly find yourself on the Clipchamp homepage. Here, you'll want to initiate a new project by clicking on Create a New Video. This will open up the video editor where all the magic happens. Once you're in, it's time to get your media ready. Click on Import Media to bring your video or images into the platform. As you do this, you can easily drag and drop your selected files directly into the timeline. This step sets the stage for your editing. Now to zoom in, begin by selecting the video clip or the image you intend to adjust. Once selected, notice the corner circles on your media. These handles are your keys to zooming. By clicking on one of these, you can drag to increase or decrease the zoom to your preference. This simple action allows you to emphasize parts of your media, drawing viewers' attention exactly where you want it. Remember, it's important to find the right balance when zooming. Too much zooming can overly pixelate your footage, so it's best to use this feature thoughtfully. If you're focusing on a particular detail, make sure the quality doesn't diminish and remains clear for your audience to appreciate. Clipchamp provides a flexible editing environment, so feel free to experiment with different zoom levels until you achieve the desired visual effect. Whether you're crafting a professional looking video or working on a creative project, adjusting the zoom can significantly enhance your storytelling technique. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to zoom using Clipchamp's intuitive tools. By mastering these steps, you'll be able to add a professional touch to your videos, ensuring they are both engaging and visually appealing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and with these skills under your belt, you're ready to tackle your next video project with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy editing.